How to delete photos from Google Photo. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to delete photos from Google Photo. So if you want to delete photos from Google Photo, you need to follow the simple steps. So what you need to do is, basically, you need to go ahead and open up your Google Photos app, and then you can go ahead and press on the particular item that you wish to delete. Let's say I'm going to go with this multiple photos. Now when I've selected all this, press the bin icon at the bottom and click on move to bin. Now this is only temporarily deleted your photo. However, it's going to be stored to your bin. If you also want to delete it from the bin, you need to go to collections, go to bin, and here you can find the photos that you've recently deleted. Do the same procedure as long press on it. Go ahead and select the photos that you wish to delete, and then press the delete button at the bottom, and this has deleted your photos permanently from your Google Photos account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.